In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Skool paid subscription. Let's dive in and take a look at the steps you'll need to follow to successfully cancel your subscription on Skool. First, you'll want to head over to the Skool website. You can do this by opening up your preferred web browser and simply searching for Skool on Google. Usually, the first result that pops up is the official Skool website, so go ahead and click on that link to get started. Once you're on the Skool website, the next step is to log into your account. Enter your login details, such as your email and password, and then click on the sign in button. If you've forgotten your password, there is typically an option to reset it, so don't worry. With your account now logged in, shift your focus to the upper left corner of the page where you'll see two arrows. Clicking on these will bring up the navigation pane. This area of the site holds many options that are crucial for managing your Skool account. Next up, you'll want to locate and click on your chosen community from the list. This step is necessary to ensure you're in the right area of your account settings. Once you've clicked into your community, you'll be presented with a range of options tailored to your account. Now, direct your attention to the Settings section. You'll see an option labeled Settings, which you should click on next. Within this section, you'll find various settings specific to your account, including Billing, which is where we're headed next. In the Billing section, you should see an option titled Billing. Click here to manage your payment details and subscription plan. This area gives you access to all the financial aspects of your account on Skool. After entering the billing section, look for the Manage Subscription option. Clicking on this will allow you to make changes to your subscription plan, including cancellations, upgrades, or downgrades. The next step is to click on Cancel Subscription. Before confirming your cancellation, the system might ask you to provide a reason for your cancellation. This feedback can be important for the service to know how they can improve, so feel free to write what's on your mind. Finally, you'll be brought to a confirmation page. To complete the cancellation process, click on Cancel Subscription. Completing this step will ensure that your subscription is canceled and your billing will cease once the current billing cycle concludes. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Skool paid subscription. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, Skool's customer support is there to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.